morning. Today I am going to start let us practice 13.6 based on what problem? And chapter name is money. Everyone open your book, page number 177. Page number 177. Now number 1. Jenny bought fruits for rupees 223.65 and vegetables for rupees 348.75. How much did she spend? So you have to find out the total amount of money. So here you will add the amount of money to get your answer. Number 2. Mukti purchased a Hindi book for rupees 135.25 and an English book for rupees 220.50 and a mathematics book for rupees 318.75. How much did she spend on this book? You have to find out the total amount of money she spent for all the books. Now, I'm starting from 2. 1 is very easy, and 1 you will do yourself. 2. Cost of Hindi book. Cost of Hindi book equals rupees 135.25. Cost of English book. Cost of English book equal rupees 220.50. Cost of mathematics book. Cost of mathematics book equals rupees 318.75. Therefore, total amount of money equal, find out the total amount of money, you have to add the amount. 5 plus 5 10, 1 is in your hand, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15, again 1 is in your hand, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 6 14, 1 is in your hand, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So answer is rupees 674.50. Mukti spent rupees 674.50 on this book. Now, number 3. I had rupees 800 with me. I bought items worth raised 368.50. What amount was left? To find out the amount which was left, you have to subtract the amount. Okay, you have to subtract rupees 368.50 from rupees 800. So this one is very easy and you will try to solve it. Now number 4. The cost of a tie is rupees 429.25 and that of a belt is rupees 579.50. Which cost more and by how much? Now, number 4. Cost of belt. Cost of belt equal rupees 579.50. Cost of tie. Cost of tie equal rupees 429.50. Therefore, difference equal 0 is smaller than 5, so 10 5. You have taken 1 from 5, so 4 minus 2 2, 9 minus 9 0, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 4 1. So answer is rupees 150.25 is more the cost of the bed. So answer is rupees 150.25. Answer. Thus bed cost more rupees 150 point. Okay. Now number 5. I purchased a doll for rupees 275.55, a candy for rupees 252.25, and a toy for rupees 228.20. What did I spend in all? Here is the this what problem you have to solve in two part. First part, you have to add all the amount that is spent for all items. That is for doll, for candy and for toy. So you have to find out the total amount of money is spent for all these items. After, if I give a 500 rupees note and 300 rupees to the shopkeeper, what shall I get back? Then you have to add 300 with 500 to find out your money, whatever you have given to the shopkeeper. Then you subtract the amount. Okay, whatever you spend for the all item. Question number 5. Cost of a doll. Cost of a doll equal rupees 200, rupees 275.55. Cost of a candy. Cost of a candy equal rupees 252, rupees 252.25. Cost of a toy. Cost of a toy equal rupees 200, rupees 228.20. Therefore, total amount of money 5 plus 5 10. 1 is in your hand. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Again 1 is in your hand. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 16. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15. Again 1 is in your hand. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. So answer is I spent rupees 756 for all the items. Okay. Now thus I spent rupees 756 on all these items. On all these total amount given to shopkeeper. Total amount given to shopkeeper equal rupees 500 plus rupees 300 equal rupees 800. Total amounts paid by me by me equal rupees 756. The amount of money I shall get back equal 0 is smaller than 6, so 4, 5 plus 1 6, again 10, 4, 10 plus 1 8, 8 is 0, 44, rupees 44. Thus I shall get back, answer, I shall get back rupees 44. Here, practice question number 5 again and again. Okay. This problem solving I have solved here in 2 parts. So please remember the every step, whatever you will do to solve it. Now the next one, 6. Cost of one eraser is rupees 12.45. Find the cost of 75. So multiplication, you have to multiply 12.45 by 75. Number 7. A dairy cost rupees 26.75. Find the cost of 15 such dairies. So same, you have to multiply here. Number 8. Cost of 13 calculator is rupees. Total amount is given and total amount the number of calculator here is 13. So what is the cost of one calculator? To find out the cost of one calculator, you have to divide rupees 22,425 by 13. Here total amount is given rupees 22,425 and this is the cost for 13 calculator. To find out one calculator, you have to divide the amount by 30.